Okay, create an equation for the graph. So if I'm creating an equation for the graph, guys, I need to go identify my zeros. So I have a zero here, 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 and here. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to write those. X is equal to a -2. X is equal to a -1. X is equal to a 1, and then I have X is equal to a 2. So I need to get them back as factors. So in order to get them back as factors, I need to get them back equal to 0. So I want to move my -2 from this side to that side. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So I get X plus 2 is equal to a 0. I want to add 1 to both sides. So I'm going to get X plus 1 is equal to a 0. I want to get that back into it, so I'm going to minus 1 from both sides. So I get X minus 1 is equal to a 0. On this one, minus 2 from both sides, so I'm going to get X minus 2 is equal to a 0. So let's write our first equation. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. F of X. I get X plus 2, and I'm going to group it with an X minus 2. And then I have an X plus 1, and I have that X minus 1. That is a one equation in factored form. But if I need to go to standard form, I need to multiply them all together. So you can set yourself up in boxes and go X plus 2, X minus 2, and over here do the exact same thing, X plus 1, X minus 1. So I'm going to get X squared, here's 2X, negative 2X minus 4, X squared, 1x, negative 1x, minus 1, right? So when I write this back out, this is another equation that works. I have this x squared. Those cancel each other out, minus 4. Right here, those cancel each other out, so I get an x squared minus 1. So this is another factored form of the equation that is legitimate. So our next piece, right, then I need to multiply together that x squared minus 4 and this x squared minus 1. So I get a x squared, x to the 4th, minus 4x squared, minus 1x squared, plus 4. So when I bring those out, I get this. F of x is equal to x to the 4th minus 5x squared plus a 4.